po ay si Edward Estacion. Ako po ang head ng business development ng DA5 Western Union. Ang DA5 ay isang direct agent of Western Union here in the Philippines. Isa kami sa pinakamalaking direct agent sa Pilipinas na may more or less 2,000 to 3,000 branches nationwide.
We're very excited to announce that our partner, DA5, is here to provide us the service of Western Union.
Sa tulong po ng VIP Payment Center, di hamak na mas lalaki pa po kami at aabot ng halos 4,000 branches nationwide. Nakapag-partner kami sa VIP Payment Center dahil nakikita namin ang lawak ng sakop nila sa Pilipinas. Sila ay nationwide. At yan po ang number one factor para magkaroon ng very successful remittance business dito sa Pilipinas, of course, all over the world.
The mere fact na nandito tayo ngayon nagse-celebrate in different locations sabay-sabay is enough para maging thankful tayong lahat.
Soon, we will be providing service to the whole Philippines. So in behalf of my partner, Melvin and Rico, and the whole VIP family, we thank you so much for your trust. God bless us all.